Hey everyone, welcome back to the car updates. Let's start with what's under the hood, which is really the star of the show. The 2025 Demon is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 engine, pushing out an insane 900 horsepower and 750 lb-ft of torque. Dodge has taken the performance even further than previous models, enhancing the supercharger's boost and refining the engine to deliver maximum power with minimum lag. This engine isn't just loud, it's a finely tuned piece of engineering that screams with every press of the gas pedal. With this level of power, the 2025 Demon can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just under 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating production cars on the planet. But it's not just raw power that makes the Demon special, it's also how well it handles. Dodge has fine-tuned the suspension and added adjustable dampers to help manage all that horsepower, so you're not just getting speed, you're getting stability and control. The Demon now features an updated launch control system that's easier to engage and more effective in helping the car hook up and launch off the line without losing traction. Dodge has also included drag-specific tires on this model to make sure the Demon grips the pavement in all the right ways, especially if you're taking it to the drag strip. Moving to the exterior, the 2025 Demon has that unmistakable Dodge muscle car look, but with a few modern twists. The aggressive, wide stance and bold front fascia make it clear that this car means business. The hood scoop is massive, designed to feed as much air as possible into the engine for optimum performance. And those wide fender flares? They're not just for looks, they accommodate the beefy tires and give the car an even more intimidating presence. Dodge has also added some aerodynamic enhancements to help with stability at high speeds, with a rear spoiler and front splitter that keep the car grounded while reducing drag. Inside, the Demon might surprise you. While it's built for performance, Dodge has packed in some creature comforts that make it more than just a track car. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, offering support and comfort even at high speeds. The interior design is driver-focused, with easy-to-reach controls and a clean layout. You've got a digital gauge cluster that shows everything from speed and RPMs to engine performance metrics, and there's even a Performance Pages app that lets you customize settings for the engine, suspension and transmission. And for those who still want some tech, the 2025 Demon comes with an 8.4-inch infotainment touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can stay connected even while pushing this car to its limits. Safety isn't usually the first thing you think of with a high-powered muscle car, but Dodge has included several safety features in the 2025 Demon to give you peace of mind. There's a suite of driver assistance features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, which are especially helpful given the car's aggressive stance and visibility limitations. Dodge has also reinforced the frame and added high-performance brakes that can bring this beast to a stop quickly and safely. And with a high-strength steel construction, the Demon is built to handle the demands of the road and the track. So, what makes the 2025 Dodge Demon unique? It's not just the raw power or the iconic muscle car look, it's the blend of performance and refinement. Dodge has managed to take a high-performance track car and make it surprisingly usable for daily driving. With a car like this, you get a thrilling experience every time you're behind the wheel, whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing it to its limits on the track. Plus, with its limited production, the Demon is a collector's item in the making, adding exclusivity to its appeal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Dodge Demon. If you like this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more car reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about the new Demon. Is it on your dream car list? Or do you think there's a better muscle car out there? Let us know. Until next time, keep driving and stay tuned for more exciting reviews.